Okay guys, we're at the Gabayan Riviera Resort. We're going down to their little beach here. And they have this little dock.
They do have the room is so
Full of what?
it looks like seals.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning right now.
The other beach at the other resort was the other one that I didn't like either. What was the name of that one?
The one that we just went?
Sierra Resort.
So this is their little beach. Ouch!
Maybe over there is better.
Yeah, it's the same thing. It's rocky. It's like
No, but maybe
Bactias.
because they have so much shit out stuff in the way.
Oh, the water is a little cold.
What is what?
It's a little cold, but it's nice. It's white sand, but it's like in Ilonggo we call it Bactias, this kind of rocks. It's like a corals. Oh my god, there's a lot of corals, baby. I gotta get one. Oh, look at that. In a rock.
Mira, there.
I'll pick up corals in the afternoon. I like the shells. They're pretty. The water's calm.
Hey, wait, that guy is
Over there?
I think they doesn't have all that thing.
I don't know. They all look the same to me, wherever you are in this area. I'm going up. That's going to the kitchen, right?
Okay, let's go to there.
So that's the restaurant up there. Oh, there's a person on a little boat. So this is the different rooms. There's the kitchen restaurant there again. And they have a
This
pool.
one here has a better view.
This one?
These two down here.
These are bigger. This is like a, I forgot the name of it. This is like a family room. This one here is big. I gotta wash my feet. There's a lot of sand. It bothers me. We got the junior suite up here with a king size bed. show you the room. I don't mind the mess. So there's a chair and a flat TV, a table, and a king size bed. And then there's a lot of like little closets. We got the little fridge, coffee machine. Little cabinet right here, and the bathroom. Here's a shower. The only thing is they only have a mirror in the bathroom. That's the only mirror they have. They don't have a mirror outside. Like outside here in the bedroom area. There's a ceiling fan. And then there's another pool in that area. Right there. Evening. Okay. That's gonna be all, guys. This is the Gabayan Riviera Resort in Siquijor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.